Hello, welcome to Smart Technical and Engineering. Can you identify these flanges? Flanges may look similar at first, but each type has a different design, connection method, and application. Choosing the wrong flange can affect installation, maintenance, leakage prevention, pressure resistance, and the overall reliability of a piping system. In this video, we're going to explore the most common types of flanges with their names and pictures. Please continue to watch until the end of the video. So, let's get started. Slip-on flange, blind flange, welding neck flange, socket weld flange, screw or threaded flange, lap joint flange, plate flange, reducing flange, DIN flange, forged steel flange, metal flange, long weld neck flange, ring joint flange, cast flange, orifice flange, split flange, flange connector, puddle flange, square flange, swivel flange, elbow flange, round flange, spectacle blind flange, NIPO flange. Knowing the different flange types is an essential skill for mechanical, piping, HVAC, plumbing, and building services engineering professionals. If you found this video useful, please like, follow, and subscribe to Smart Technical and Engineering for more practical engineering tutorials covering HVAC, ACMV, plumbing, electrical, solar, piping, and building services engineering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.